Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a healthy smoothie that I make for myself at least once or twice a week. If you would like to know the health benefits of the carrots, the celery, the pineapple, and the lemon, look in my description box below. If this is your first time to my channel, I am so happy that you're here. If you're not a family member, go ahead on and become a family member by pushing subscribe. If you are already a family member, I appreciate you and thank you. And please keep coming back and watching my video. My smoothie was too thick, so what I did was took a tablespoon of this fat burner green apple powder and put it into 6 ounces of water. Then I just added it to my smoothie just to loosen it up. When I pour it into the jars, I'm going to store them in the refrigerator. Thank you for watching, and if you're not a family member, please go ahead on and subscribe, like, comment, share, and turn your notification bell on.